Hey everyone, this is Andrew Ty and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to go ahead and install the Windows-only game Heroes Hour on the M1 Apple Silicon Mac. So I'm recording this on my MacBook Pro with the M1 Max chip with 32GB of RAM, and today we're going to be running the GOG version of Heroes Hour. You can run the Steam version as well, but I'm going to be showing you the GOG version today because that's the version that I have access to. And we're going to be running this particular game, which is a kind of auto battler strategy game. And we're running this on the M1 Mac. So I'm going to show you how to do that. I'm going to show you how to install CrossOver and then get this game running as well. So the first step is going to be to click the link at the top of the description for my affiliate link for CrossOver. If you do make a purchase through this link, then you'll be helping to support the channel and the work that I do. So once you get to the CrossOver page, what you can do is to scroll down here and then you can click the Try Now button, and this is going to give you a 14-day free trial where you can test out the full functionality of CrossOver. If you do decide to purchase, then please click my affiliate link and click the Buy Now button. If you use the coupon code AppleGamingWiki and click Apply here, then you'll get a 25% discount off your CrossOver purchase. In this tutorial, I'm going to be using the trial, so I'm going to click the Try Now button. Now all I need to do is to enter my name and email address, and I can click the Download Trial Now button. So CrossOver will begin a download process. This file is 340 megabytes in size, so please wait a moment for that to complete. So once CrossOver has completed downloading, we're going to go to Finder. I'm going to open our downloads folder. I'm going to open up CrossOver. So I'm going to double click on here, and this has extracted the CrossOver application into the downloads folder. And then what we're going to do is to drag this into our applications folder and then let go. And now when I look at my applications folder, I'm going to scroll down and then find the CrossOver application. And what we're going to do here is to double click on CrossOver. CrossOver is going to give this option menu here. We're going to press open. And then what we're going to do is press the Try Now button. So if you've already purchased this, what you can do is click the Unlock with Purchase Info, but today we're going to be using the trial. Here we're going to press Try Now. So now we have entered the CrossOver main menu. So what we're going to do here is to click Install a Windows application. So what I'm going to do with CrossOver is that I'm going to be creating a new bottle. So you could easily use your existing Steam bottle. I'm going to create one specifically for Heroes Hour. So we're going to create a new bottle here, or if you've gone through the wizard already, it's going to be the same process. And basically what I do is create a Windows 7 64-bit bottle, and then we're going to call this one Heroes Hour. You can't put an apostrophe in the bottle name because that affects the path. So that's what I'm going to name the bottle. It's a Windows 7 64-bit bottle. So we're going to be using the GOG version of Heroes Hour. So there's actually several places where you can actually buy the Windows version of this game. You can get a Games Planet key, which is a Steam key. You can just buy the game directly from Steam as well. However, we're going to be using the DRM-free GOG version. So once you've added it to your account, if you've purchased it on GOG, what we're going to do is to download the offline installer. So I'm going to go to my library here, and then we're going to find the offline backup game installer, and I'm going to download this to open up in CrossOver. And now I've got my bottle here, and I've also moved the download of Heroes Hour from GOG onto my desktop. And then basically once we've got Heroes Hour bottle selected here, we're going to double click on Run Command, and we're going to browse, and then we're going to find the file that we've just downloaded, and then I've put it on the desktop. So this is the GOG offline installer, and then we're going to get the offline installer to run within this new bottle. Here we're going to press run, and then we're just going to go through the standard setup. So we're going to accept the EULA and then press install. Then it's going to go through this installation process. So once that's done, we're going to go ahead and press the launch button, and now this has gone ahead and launched the game. So I'm just going to command this to show you some of the settings that we've used. So we haven't actually enabled DXVK. If you run a DirectX 11 game without DXVK, it actually runs the game under WineD3D. It looks like it's having some issues actually running that. So what I'm going to do is to control click on the bottle itself. Then we're going to go to settings, and I'm going to enable DXVK backend. And I'm also going to go ahead and control click on the bottle. And what I'm going to do is to enable the DXVK HUD. So I'm going to go to my bottle settings here. I'm going to go to cxbottle.conf. Going to go to text edit and open the settings here. Then we're going to add quote dxvk underscore HUD, straight quotes equals full. So here we're going to file save, and then that's going to enable the HUD, and so you can see the frame rate information as well as the DXVK being turned on there. Now we're going to double click on Heroes Hour to open this up again under DXVK. So here we've got the frame rate information here, And now the game is running a bit better. It's not doing that flickering thing. It seems to be a bit more stable. Here you're going to go to options. So there aren't many graphical settings to change here, so I'm just going to go ahead and try this game out. So here we're just going to try out a new game. I'm going to try the tutorial level out, and here we can see that it looks like it's completely playable. I'm just going to play this game. It's the first time I'm playing this. Just see what it's like. It reminds me a bit of Heroes of Might and Magic 3. So here I'm going to press open. I'm going to end turn here. So it looks like I've entered the battle, so I'm going to press the start battle button. Looks like I have these minions and we can attack or move around. I don't want my guy to die. So I've won this particular encounter, which is cool. So it looks like this game works pretty well. Even though it's quite a large map, we're able to run the game just fine. It's running at 60 frames per second on this overview map. If you'd like to find out more about games that are compatible for the M1 Apple Silicon Mac, then please make sure to check out the M1 compatible games master list. I'll leave a link to this in the description. This contains a really long list of games which are compatible through the M1 Apple Silicon Mac, whether it's running natively through ARM, through Rosetta 2, or one of the compatibility layers such as CrossOver or Parallels. So please check it out. I'll leave a link to this in the description. Please also make sure to check out the Apple Gaming Wiki YouTube channel. This contains a playlist of game benchmarks that I performed on the M1 Apple Silicon Mac, and there are literally hundreds of games which I've tested, so please check this out. I'll leave a link to this in the description as well. So anyway, that is how you get Heroes Hour working on the M1 Apple Silicon Mac. I hope you found this video useful. I've got lots of other video tutorials like this on my YouTube channel, so please check it out. If you like the video, please like, please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.